Okay, so you think you're a realtor? You're gonna wear your little suit to work? I thought that at first, and I was wearing my suits a lot. And you guys, if you follow me on social, you know I love my clothes and I love everything like that. I love $1 million listing. Put my little tie on. I'm selling real estate, except for if you're following Matt McKeever on Instagram and stuff. He's kept taking me through a bunch of shit properties. So then I started dressing lower and lower. And that was funny. I'd have to go to like $1 million stuff and then like shit properties in the same day. So you almost have to like change quickly. Good problem to have though. But you guys are not a realtor. Do not be a realtor. What? Aren't I taking my real estate license? No, you are not. You're a realtor second, okay? First, you are a social media company, whatever. And like if you need any backing on this, like go follow Gary Vaynerchuk on Instagram and YouTube and all that, and any line of work. So like if you're a restaurant, you need to be a social media company and then a restaurant. There's no sense everybody's having a great sandwich in there. You got to be taking a photo of that sandwich and then being like, lunch today at lunch special, hamburger, you should come in, be top of mind. So what, you can wear your tie, sit in your office. I'm a realtor, yeah, realtor, not making it, real estate sucks, it's so hard, I'm not making any money on real estate. Okay, so don't do that. Be a social media guy. Remember, if you guys watch my bio, and I said I was 16 years in the military and I did 2 deployments protecting like generals overseas and diplomats, I was not on social media, guys. And now I'm sitting in front of the camera. When I first came into real estate, I was like, nobody's on the internet. I was like, this is insane. And they're all like in there, like buying Vistaprint and like putting door knockers on people's houses and stuff like that, and walking around and knocking on their doors and saying, do you want to buy your house? And I'm like, I would rather virtual door knock. Fuck, should be the title, virtual door knock. I would rather virtual door knock a neighborhood, spend more time with my my wife and kid now. At the time there was no kid, or we weren't married either. But this is how I'm gonna get you guys to 100K. Do not do all the other stuff, okay? Because I'll ask them. Freaking ask them, did you make 100K in your first year? Oh, no. Remember, I'm the hack right now. I got I might date myself, the game genie, the cheat code, the up, down, left, right. I'm giving you the up, down, left, right to 100K, all right? So skip all the other stuff. Don't listen to all these other people. You're social media. The reason why the other agents in your office aren't doing social media is because they have 5 years on you, 10 years on you, 30 years on you. I was at a party last night and the guy was like, oh, I'm 30 years in the business. You ever want to talk? Like I can, and I'm like, great. And we're totally different. Totally. And like, he's like, I don't even advertise. Well, no shit. You got 30 years of referrals. What's the point? But this free advertisement on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Yes, you can do Facebook ads, and hopefully I'll kind of touch on it high level, because there's tons of actual YouTube stuff you can get to like the nitty gritty of it. Or if you take Tai Lopez's courses or Alex Becker's a bit, you're gonna see that. But free advertisement. Hopefully I just made some money. Oh, Kellen's commenting on my Instagram. Oh, I think I saw a PayPal there. Not from you guys. I am running a conference right now to date. It's coming up this weekend. We'll see. You'll see it all on my YouTube. Graham Stephan's even in town right now, so I'm getting this done late. So social media. Do that. Remember, these are the hacks to get you to 100K. If you just want to do what everybody else is doing, don't. Great people to follow, be like Radel Castro I think he's in Tampa Bay. And that guy was trying to get his real estate license, and he was posting, and I follow him. My whole brokerage follows him now, and like honestly, I want to go do a Weibo limo down in Tampa Bay because of him. And if I ever have a referral from London, Ontario, and it's for some reason to Tampa Bay, I'm calling that guy, and I'm going to give him the lead. And we're going to talk about that a bit, how you can make money off of social from other cities. Just want to give you guys another quick tip. There was a contest I saw. One guy was trying it online, a realtor, and he was like, Monday trivia, answer this question and you can win a gift card for this place for $25. Note, you have to be in the Seattle area. And right away I was like, whoa, this guy's thinking way too small. What do you guys think he thought? He thought he's in Seattle, he's an agent. The only way he can make money is if somebody buys a Seattle house. We're thinking bigger now. We're social media. I would have done that thing across the states, Canada, whatever, and whoever wins, you can send him that gift card and you're gonna know he's gonna be following you, and when it's his time to buy a house, he's gonna talk to you potentially, and then you're gonna be able to like refer that out. Like, don't think so small. The guy was thinking way too small. I have gotten people messaging me from all around the world and also within North America, which I just refer to other agents, and then they do the deal, and then I get paid, and then I'm able to say, just made $2,000 off Instagram, just made $5,000 off Instagram, just made $20,000 off Instagram. So this is kind of how it happens. And I'll get into some good Instagram kind of tips. Instagram's been my main one, so I'm sure that's going to change over the years, and Facebook, but that's what's happening. And so yeah, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.